Hello everybody, it is Peridots 57150 here coming at you with a new Peridots Beach Day Adventures. I keep forgetting the name. Right now I am at Pensacola Quietwater Beach. Really fun. And I'm going to be showing you all around. We got the bay. We got a giant Quietwater Beach symbol. You can catch some crap. That's where the map I am. Let's see. That is Pensacola Beach. All down there. This is where I'm at. Look. I think I'm right there. I think I'm somewhere around there. So yeah. I'm about to head into the Pimp Astoria. It's called Alvin's Island. Everything's awesome. And I will see y'all guys there. Okay.
Well, offense hasn't been able to find any rhythm in this third quarter.
Well, let me get inside the store without being caught with a camera. Okay, we are in. Okay, so, well, I guess I'm in the ladies section. Smells nice. Some beach balls. Dang, $4.99. I can go Dollar Tree and one of those. I'm gonna get these. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty much it for Alvin's Island. Ice cream. For as far as the eye can see. Really cool stuff. What's up?
Small win. Got down right around the 10-yard line by Mike Moore.
Yes. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. Oh, they're going for Alabama. Boo, I hate Alabama. Hail State, Mississippi State. Not Ole Miss. Ole Miss, go home. Bulldogs. Yeah. Heading over here. Here. I'm gonna go rinse my feet off because they are Sunday. It looks like I'm a little tan, but my feet are just blank. That's what I hate about beaches. Yeah. I think I want to set my phone down while I do this thing. I'll turn it back on and say, that's over and done. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a Pokemon. Need to catch it. Gotta catch them all. Anyways, dudes, yeah. Seagulls flying. Alright. This is going to be, I think, maybe the last video to Peridots beach game.